as long as he could suffer hate of the host organism, refracting hatred through a prism, all shades of hatred rained upon him, from intolerance to fucking gas them, plagued his mind as he ate and swallowed hatred's fucking plagued. This land was ours many moons before the English death platoons drove us here to these cities, where nobody cares and nobody pities destitution's ragged queue, swelling daily down the brew, and thunder by the underpass, cardboard city underclass, reeking o' cheap wine and shite, and madmen shouting in the night. Contaminated, cancer-ridden, live like pigs in human midden. This land is but a fascist heaven. These folk'll never rise again, the junkies, alkies and insane. One day they'll be flushed down the drain. If only they knew this land was theirs.